Hey guys, how's it going? This is actually the end of the other video that I made about this circle saw. So I'll put a card over here in the corner, wherever that is. If you want to watch the beginning of this video again, it's already on my channel. But this is the end, and I didn't put it in the last video because it was just going to make it extremely long. So. This is, and I thought this was worth its own video. I mean, this was some good footage of cutting these overgrown pines. So, anyway, hope y'all enjoy it. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Anyway, talk to y'all later.
hope you enjoyed the video. I'm about to shut it down here. I did flip this thing over. I flipped it over 180 degrees, put it back on there so the saw's closer to me where I can see the saw better, and it also rotates this way doing that, so it pulls into the limb, and it does even better that way than it did the other way. So yeah, this thing, I'm well pleased with it, and maybe I'll check it out. They did ask me if I would do a video for them, and they would send me a free bar for the other one, but I mean, I would tell you if I didn't like it, and obviously it does a good job. But so, I mean, I like it better than the bar saw. I know I've said that 100 times, but I really do. I mean, I think it does a really good job. You can see where I've been cutting these pines right here. So I got to get the grapple and clean all that up. But yeah, does a good job. And hope y'all enjoyed the video. And we'll talk to y'all later.